Good morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. In the last video we have started exercise 2.2. We have solved first two questions, and today in this video we are going to continue with question number 3 of the same exercise, students. But before it, open your homework and match the answer from the board. So students, question number 3, find the value of the following. Students, in the last two questions, question 1 and 2, we have used commutativity and associativity property of whole number for addition and multiplication. Now in question number 3 and 4, we will be using distributivity property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. This property also I have explained to you in the introduction video. Still once again, we will be revising it. Using this question only. Look students, how to use distributivity property, that I am explaining. And for addition, I told you like this in introduction video, a into b plus c, where a will multiply b as well as it will multiply c. So ab plus ac. Let us use this property for the first question, students. Here you can see a point 297 multiplied by 17, okay, plus 297 multiplied by 3. Observe this, students. What you are noticing, what you are observing, here we will see that 17 is in multiplication with 297. Again this same 297 is in multiplication with 3 also, isn't it? So students, what we can do for using distributivity property, we have to take some number as common, okay, some whole number as common. So here which number we can take as common? Here we can see that 17 and 3 both are in multiplication with 297. So I'll use distributivity property and I'll write 297 as common. I'll take 297 as common. It is in multiplication with which two numbers, students? 297 किसको multiply कर रहा है? 17 को भी कर रहा था और 3 को भी कर रहा था. So what we will do? 297 into write 17 here. Then between these two products, which symbol is there, students? Plus sign. So that you are going to write here, and then the next number. Clear, students? In distributivity property, by using distributivity property, we have taken 297 as common. This 297 is in multiplication with 17 and 3 both. Same thing. When you write a value inside the bracket and a value is written outside the bracket, that means both are in multiplication. So same thing only, students. Now let us see. 297 I will write as it is, multiplied by 17 plus 3, how much, students? 20. Clear or not? Now 0 is there, so we will write 0 in the product. Now what is left? 2. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry over, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, again 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4. See, we got our answer, 5940. Without doing any detailed calculation, we are getting this answer. If you will not use the property, then also you can solve this. लेकिन आप खुद सोचो, first you will multiply 297 with 17. Then you will multiply 297 with 3, and then you will add the product, and then you will get 5940. इतना लंबा procedure है. But by using distributivity property, how simply we got the answer? See, simply we have taken 297 as common, and rest of the numbers we have written as it is with the operation, okay, plus sign. So 17 plus 3, 20, 20 into given number, we will get 5940. So this was distributivity property of multiplication over addition, students. Clear? Let us see one more point. Here 54,279 multiplied by 92 plus 8 multiplied by 54,279. Same pattern question, students. What you are going to do here? You will use distributivity property. Which number you are going to take as common? 92. Is it written 2 times? 8. Is it written 2 times? Is it multiplying the numbers 2 times? No. Which number is multiplying? This 54,279. Na? So this I will take as common, 54,279. Then write the rest of the numbers inside the bracket, 92 plus 8. Okay students, now 54,279 multiplied by, add this 92 plus 8, you know it is 100. See how simply again we got the answer. 54279 was in multiplication with 100. So 54279 into 1 will give you 54279, and this 2 zeros I will write in the product. See, we have solved question number B also, which was such a big multiplication question. How simply we got the answer. Clear, students? Let us see the other point. Point number C. Note it down. Point number C, students, 81,265 multiplied by 169 minus 81,265 into 69. So you can observe, students, 81265 is given 2 times. It is in multiplication with 169 as well as 69, and both the products after multiplication, both the products we are going to subtract. So here I will use distributivity property of multiplication over subtraction, students. Okay, I will write these numbers as A into B minus C. So what will be A here, students? Which number is common here? 81265. So I will write 81265. And what will be my B and C? B minus C. What I am going to write as B minus C? B here will be 169 and C here will be your 69. Clear, students? Then again 81265 multiplied by 169 minus 69. How much, students? 100. So simply we got our answer 8126500. Okay, see, we have solved this question also. Point number D, students, now we are going to look. Note it down. Point number D, students, 3845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782 plus 769 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 218. Here, students, this 3 numbers we have to multiply, and again this 3 numbers we have to multiply, and its product we are going to add. Again here we are going to use distributivity property only, students, but we know that for distributivity property we should have one number as common, which is in multiplication with the other given numbers. Observe this. Are you seeing any number which is common? No. Still you have to use that property. What to do, students? Let us see. So anyhow I want some number to be common, na? So what I will do, I will write this 25 as 5 into 5. Is the product different if I am writing 5 into 5? No, the number will be same only, na? 5 5s are 25. Why I am doing so? So that I can take this 5 as common. Now see, students, 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769. In place of 25 I have written 5 into 5 into 218. Clear, students? Okay, now what I will do, look. Now this 3845 and here 769 into 5. Again I will make them common. What I told, again I am explaining. Look here, students. 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 5 into 218. So same thing I have written, but what I have done here, I have taken this 5 with 769 and I have formed the group. Means I have used associativity property now. I will be multiplying these two numbers first. Do you want to know the reason? Let us check, students. 5 9s are 45, na? Okay, 5 here, 4 carried over. 4 carried over here. Then 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Again 3 carried over, 4 I have written here. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3, 36, 37, 38. See, we got this number 3845. Means when I am multiplying 769 with 5, I will be getting 3845. Anyhow, we want the numbers to be common, na? So this I have, that's why I have done like this. Clear, students? Let us write again. 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 3845 into 5 into 218. Clear, students? Now I hope it is already clear, the question is already clear to you. Now this number and this number is in common, isn't it? When you will multiply 5 with 3845, same answer you will get for this also, same digits are written. So let us multiply them. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 22, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 42, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 21, 22, 5 8s are 40, 41, 42. Okay, 4 carry over. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, students, I got 19225. So its product also will be 19225. This number I have taken as common. Now what is left, students? Sorry, 782. Isn't it? Addition sign plus 218. Okay, then again 19225 multiplied by, add them students, 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, so I got 1000. Now write the answer. 19225 and 3 zeros. So students, for point number D, this is the answer. See students, this question is little bit different from the rest of the questions. So practice this question 2-3 times, then only it will be clear to you. Once again I am explaining the main points here. Here I was not having any number as common, but I have to use distributivity property. So what I have done, I have written 25 as 5 into 5. Okay, this was the first step. Then what we have done, still I want some number to be common. So what I have done, I have taken 7, 69 and 5 and I multiplied them. When I multiplied these two numbers, I got 3845, which again is already there in the question. Means these two numbers I can take as common, and as both the numbers were in multiplication with 5, so I have multiplied them, and again I got 19,225 as common. So I have taken it as common and I have added rest of the numbers, and finally we got our answer. Clear students? Okay, so this was question number 3, point number A to D. Now let us move to our question number 4, students. So students, question number 4, find the product using suitable properties. Again you have to multiply using properties. See the number, students. First point, 738 into 103. Which property here you are going to use, students? Only two numbers are given. So we can't use commutative or associativity property for solving this, because it will be simple multiplication. So which property you are going to use here? You will be using distributivity property, students. How? Let us see. We know that for distributivity property we want 3 whole numbers, but how many whole numbers are written here? Only 2. Here also in B point only 2, in C also only 2. Still I will use distributivity property. Look how, students. If you are given with such a question where you have to use property, and one thing is common in all these 3 questions, here 103, 102, 1008, means numbers related with 100 is given. So such numbers you are going to take and break. Okay, break means here I will copy 738 as it is, and this 103 I am going to write as 100 plus 3. Clear, students? Is the number changed now? When I have written 103 as 100 plus 3, is the result different? No, same thing only, na? 100 plus 3 will give you 103 only. For which reason I have done so? Because I have to use distributivity property, for which I have to take 3 whole numbers. So now I am having 3 whole numbers. Here 103, both are in multiplication with 738. Now simply you can solve using distributivity property. 738 into 100. Okay, students. Plus again 738 into 3. Let us multiply. Okay, students, 738 into 100 will give you 73800 plus, here 3 8s are 24, 2 carry over, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, 1 carry over, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, okay, 1 carry over, 3 7s are 21, 22. Now add them, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 and 7. I got my answer as 76,014. Clear, students? See, in the previous question, what we were doing, the numbers were given already in distribution. Okay, the numbers were already distributed. There what we have done, we have taken one number as common, and then we have added the given 2 numbers, and then we have taken its sum and we have multiplied. But here just the opposite we have to do. Here first we have broke the number and then we have distributed the values, means separately we have multiplied and we got the answer. In the same manner, this question also 854 into 102 I can write as 100 plus 2 students. Clear na? Again this 102 is in multiplication with 854. So 854 multiplied by 100 plus 854 multiplied by 2. So students 85400. On multiplying this 2 we got this one. Now again 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 17. Then add them. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 4, 11. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And again our answer is ready. Clear students? Point number C. 258 multiplied by 1008 you can write as 1000 plus 8. Okay. Now again multiply 258 first with B, that is 1000. Then again 258 will be multiplied with C, that is 8. Multiply 258000 plus again 8 8s are 64, 6 carry over 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 6, 46, again 4 carry over 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4, 20. So students, final add 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 5 plus 1, 6 and 2. Okay, so these are the answers for first 3 points of question number 4. I hope it is clear to you. Now students, one more question is given here, point number D. That is your work, you are going to do it. So students, in today's video we have seen 2 questions, question number 3 and 4. We have used distributivity property for solving these 2 questions. And question number 4, point D will be your homework. In the next video we will continue with the other questions. That's all for today students. Thank you.